Here's another pickling cucumber. These bees are making a lot of noise over here. I'm going to try to get it. I see this orange one back here. I think I did plant like some lemon cucumbers, but this is the only one I'm seeing, so. Alright. I left this one on the vine a little bit too long. We are moving into the middle of July. Today is the 20th. So I want to keep you up on the harvests that I do until the end of the month. I'm doing a lot of moving things around to make room for my fall plants. So let's have some fun. This is some kale that I found, or this is a green that I found out in the yard. I'm not sure if it's a mustard or if it's a kale. Looks like it was a volunteer. But we're going to harvest this today. This little mini cucumber plant just keeps on giving. So let's see what we have here today. I'm going to just go ahead and harvest everything off of here. Some things might be a little bit small, but we will use those for juicing. Here's another one. See a third one back here, has a little bit of yellowing on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it. As I said, I'll use these for juicing with my pineapples. Well, there are 3 that I've gotten off today. This little tiny Tim we started harvesting in the last video, but there's a few here I'm gonna go ahead and take off for now. In today's video, they look like they're ready. And there's a few more green ones here. This one's ready. All right. Moving on with today's harvest. Here is another tiny Tim, a couple of them actually, that are growing here in the garden area. And I've got some tomatoes growing on them. There's a few on this one that we will take today. Let's go ahead and harvest. We're going to go ahead and take them. They're good size too. 2, let's see, 3, 4. Let's keep going. 5, 6, and I'm going to take these 3, 7, 8, 9. There's a bunch more down in there, but they're not ready. This is our moringa plant, and boy, it has grown by leaps and bounds in the last couple of weeks. So today, I will take a few moringa leaves, of these little tiny leaves, and we'll make some tea. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I can't hold back my anticipation any longer. I'm going to go ahead and take this eggplant today. What say you? I could cry here. I made a big mistake. This is my Black Beauty eggplant, and I accidentally cut a limb. And it's got flowers on it. It has buds. Our few little corn stalks are coming along over here. I also planted some bush beans at the base. I seem to have read somewhere that they are good companions. So the beans are coming up. I see a silk here. Let's pollinate it a little bit. And there are a few others. They're growing at different rates. There's probably about 10 over here, 12. So we'll see what we get. So this is the harvest for Saturday morning, July 20th. A little bunch of greens. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but we're going to just maybe Saute those up. And then we had a mishap with the eggplant. So this little mama Oreo stalked me every time I was in a certain spot in the garden. It turned out that she had a nest nearby. Look at these little guys, always hungry. And then one day they were just gone. Here's a beauty. And here is a beast. Get it? Beauty and a Beast? I don't even know how to pull this off. I think I need clippers for this. I got it. Thought I needed clippers. This thing is about 1 foot long. It is probably not tasty inside. It's so big, I don't know. Wow, look at that comparison. So this is the harvest for today. And believe me, I really wasn't trying to harvest today. But when I saw this monster out there, I had to get it. Couldn't help myself. So yesterday I came out after I thought I had locked out the groundhog. So let me tell you, I caught him over here yesterday and we had a standoff. And I had a trash can out here and a lid and my running shoes on because he's kind of fat and slow. That dude had me feeling like a cartoon out here. Wish I could have filmed it. But this is what he ate. My sweet potato vines. And do you know how long it took me to grow those slips? I don't know what kind of damage this will cause to the root system. So this is truly Groundhog's Day because it keeps happening over and over again. I've built these contraptions. Well, first let me take you back to the beginning. This is near my corn. Came in here once and I built a cement wall. Put some chicken wire on it. Then you saw this wall evolve. Every time I would edify the wall, he would come back in a different location. Now this fence has a few small gaps in it, and he takes advantage of the gaps. So you saw how this wall started right here. Well, it expanded there, expanded here, and then yesterday, this is what happened. This tomato plant here, I think it's finally doing something, but it's growing out in my walkway, and I don't like that. But there are some flowers here. It's all let you grow out. Shine on, shine on. Till I get in trouble, then I might have to cut you back. Just doing some things. There you go, look at that. So these are my 2 homemade compost bins. And I've been saving compost now for maybe about 8 months or longer. Today I decided to dump out those bins here and give all this a good stir. So this is what I got out of the 2 trash cans. So back to the groundhog story. This is my cat Benji, and I put him on the prowl. It finally happened. I snapped. So let me get over here to my gardening throne, and let me tell you what time it is. I'm sorry, it's a little disheveled right now because I'm trying to put this greenhouse together, but Release the Kraken. So the war was on, and as you can see, I released every product that I could read about on Google or watch a video on YouTube. I even moved Tort so he could stand better guard. All right, Tort, you're in charge. Watch out now. Got a new greenhouse. I gotta put it together. So I don't know when y'all gonna see it. I don't want you to see me putting it together because it will probably be very hilarious. But I did get busy. I'll show you a little bit. It's a family affair today. The captain is up here working on the deck, putting down some new wood. We're about to get it all painted. And here I go, putting in that work. So this is the greenhouse so far. Made some progress yesterday. Look what I did. I pulled out this cucumber bush that was on this ark. Do you remember that? I got quite a bit of fruit off of there over the last couple of months, but I overplanted and it was just very hard to maintain. So I think I have enough time to plant more cucumbers here, and also I can get this ground ready, some of this ground ready for fall plants. And this was the harvest for that day with that overripe cucumber. So I'm out here early this morning with my Rise coffee, just taking a look around. For new gardeners that are watching, or any gardeners that have been around a while, this channel is about the what you can do. I learn a lot from other YouTubers that garden, and I'm showing you what can be done. And there are so many other very good gardeners out there on YouTube that can show you the how to do it, how to get there. Wow, there's so much going on here in my very small gardening area. Look, this is all of the medicinal herbs that are growing. Not sure what to do with them all. There's mullein and marshmallow and wormwort. We'll figure it out. But at least it's growing and I know I can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. I just took a squash plant out that had seen its better days, and lo and behold, behind it is an okra. I didn't even know this was back there. Hope it's not past its prime. I'm going to take this. I think this mini cucumber plant has seen its better days, so I'm going to take it out as well and plant something else in this spot. I got 4 little minis off when I finally took that plant out. Thank you, cucumber plant. Awesome. We just reached a little over 500 subscribers. And guess what? We really thank you for watching and being here with us. And we hope that you're enjoying the channel. Come back and see us during August. I'm sure there will be a lot of fantastic new things going on. In the meantime, be a good person and do great work. And I didn't even tell you about the wasps that tried to come into the house, the deer that ate all the flowers around the house, and the rabbit that lives under the shed.